This is a comparison video between this car here, the 2018 300 CS, and that car there, Durango RT. And you may ask yourself how these cars match up. But currently, this car here is on an incentive program from Dodge, from Chrysler itself. I keep saying Dodge, they're all one company. But Chrysler has a $6,000 incentive on this car, which reduces the price drastically. An 84-month ownership finance at 2.9% on this car with zero money out of pocket is $431 a month. This vehicle, on the other hand, is Dodge Durango. This vehicle, when I got it, had between the dealer incentive and Chrysler incentives about $7,500, $8,000 give back, which allowed me to lease this car with no money down for the same $430 a month. So the question becomes, for $430 a month and no money out of pocket, which is the car you choose? Well, this car is a great family car, hauler. This is also a V8. This vehicle is a luxury car, more of a sedan, less of a bruiser and more of a cruiser. But it's also only a 6-cylinder, which is very good on gas. So when you start to stack up the pricing on both vehicles, they're two different vehicles. But it's amazing that in Chrysler's world, you could have such a disparity in vehicles and still the same pricing. So now's a great time to be a Chrysler Dodge fan. If you want a Hemi or even the 3.6 Pentastar engine, both good cars, or very strong cars, very powerful cars, very nice driving cars, as well as having a great fit and finish. Have a good day, guys.